Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and I love a healthy, natural looking glow on my skin. And because of that, I love this Tarte Breezy Cream Blush in Sunset Peach. It's a very pretty pinky peach, natural looking shade. I love the creamy texture and consistency. You can see it's very, very creamy. And it just looks so lovely on. It really blends well into my skin and gives just that beautiful, luscious, natural glow that we all want to have. And I cannot speak enough about the wearability, the texture, the consistency of it. It also, Tarte products do not break my skin out. I have sensitive skin that can be prone to little tiny breakouts. But the Tarte Cosmetics work so well for me and my skin type. So I really highly recommend this product if you are like me and you have sensitive skin, but you're looking for that nice glow and you want a cream blush. It's just top notch. This Tarte Peach Sunset Breezy Cream Blush. But that's just my point of view.